Hello and welcome. I am Jess Campmans, guided by Equus, and I'm here with Bo and his counterpart Mahina, who is helping to tell him to get up, to share the horse wisdom insights for the week of November 23rd. This week, just tuning in, finally it's kind of beautiful here, and I came out and Bo was just laying here enjoying the sun, so I decided to kind of snuggle in with him and Mahina. And the idea of just sharing space with something this week that is inviting us into this space with it. And that idea of sharing space means to kind of come without attachment to maybe what needs to happen within that space, to just share it from a place of being in flow, being organic with whatever it is that arises within that space. Kind of like Mahina trying to get Bo up and Bo being pretty comfy where he's at. And also this idea of sharing space, it almost feels like a preparation for the eclipse that is coming in a week from now. So we have 7 days of preparation, of sharing space with wherever we're being called into this space of, to almost find our footing is the image I'm getting. Find our footing, become grounded, kind of like Bo, and Dash is here too. To find our footing and become grounded with all of the elements or the essences that exist within that space. And it's funny because when I said Dasha, I was about to say Dixie, who is my old dog, old blue heeler, it would be almost 2 years ago in a month from now when she transitioned back to spirit. And it's like that exchange of energies with the spirit of something that is kind of wanting to get our attention this week, to help us stretch ourselves. So just taking a breath on that and kind of noticing where that feels in your own body, just with those words, as well as being able to pay attention when that shows up for you this week, of that space that you're being invited to share. So much love from myself and Dasha, and Bo and Mahina and all of the horses. And I look forward to seeing where this all brings us next week with the November 30th eclipse, and what else is arising for us as we come towards the end of this interesting year. So much love from myself and the horses of Guided by Equus, and I look forward to seeing what arises for you guys. Take care.